Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency, where the value of digital assets can fluctuate in the blink of an eye. In this video, we'll be discussing the basics of cryptocurrency and how it's changing the way we think about money. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It operates independently of a central bank and can be exchanged for goods and services. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of other digital assets in existence. While many people associate cryptocurrency with Bitcoin, there are actually thousands of other digital assets in existence. Each one has its own unique features and uses. Some are used for buying and selling goods and services, while others are used for more specific purposes like gaming or privacy. One of the most interesting things about cryptocurrency is the volatility of its value. The value of a digital asset can fluctuate greatly in a short period of time. This can be both exciting and risky for investors. Despite the risks, many people are excited about the potential of cryptocurrency. They see it as a way to take control of their financial future and participate in a new economy. Whether you're an investor, a trader, or just someone who's curious about this new technology, cryptocurrency is worth keeping an eye on. The future of money may be digital, but the possibilities are endless.